Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to SquirrelSawVideo.com and Takeo Designs. In this video on the Rotary Tool series, we're going to do a project video. I have two items here. One is a pocket knife and one is a pair of needle nose pliers. Another one of my hobbies is magnet fishing. M-A-G-N-E-T fishing. If you need more information on magnet fishing, check it out on YouTube. Many videos on magnet fishing. It's a fun hobby I'm getting into and really enjoying it. So we're going to, I'll show you close up on these two items here in just one moment. If you got any questions or concerns, please shoot me an email, squirrelsawvideo@gmail.com, or leave a comment in the section below. I appreciate watching. If you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button below. Thanks. Okay, here's a closer view of these two items. This is the needle nose pliers, and this is the pocket knife. You can see how corroded they are with mud and dirt and rust. So the idea of this is to only use Dremel and Dremel accessories in cleaning these up, other than oil. I'm going to need some oil. But I want to use just Dremel and Dremel accessories to clean these up and hopefully put these back in working condition. The first thing we're going to do is start with the needle nose pliers. Then when we get done with that, we're going to work on this pocket knife. Okay, I'm set up with my Dremel flex shaft. Here it is right here. This is what we're going to be using for the first part of cleaning. Here's a close-up. And here's a close-up of these pliers that we're going to hopefully make usable. We'll give it a shot. So if you don't mind, I'm going to be playing some music in the background. I'm going to turn on my air cleaner and turn on this Dremel, and we're going to put it in fast forward motion for the video. Let me add to this, I am wearing protective lenses. I do wear glasses. And I'm wearing these safety glasses on top of my regular glasses. I purchased these at Peachtree Woodworking Supply in Norcross, Georgia. They easily fit over my eyeglasses. And I am wearing this dust mask. So I'm going to put this back on and get back to grinding. If you'll notice, if I can get it to focus in, you can already see a significant change in these pliers. It hasn't taken very long. Turn it over this way. So I'll get back to it. Okay, you can see what a difference it's made already with just using the wire brush. I can open it now. It's still a little tight. Cannot open it before. I'm going to put some oil on here to make it better. I do apologize. I had to change the battery in the camera. Didn't realize how low it was on the capacity. Well, okay, here's the pliers. They are in workable condition now. There's a little cutter right here that I will sharpen up. I have not put any oil on it yet. It's starting, the more I move it, the better it gets. So I'm going to, now that I have it open, I'm going to clean out the rust and the grit on the inside of the pliers. Put on my dust mask again. There we go. Pretty good. Not too bad, really. Not too bad at all. And since we're working on this set of pliers, I'm going to see if I can buff out this rubber handle with some polishing pads. So let me grab those and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my polishing pads. So I'm going to insert one of these into the Dremel right here. Let's try one of these. I'll put a part number below if you're interested. I'm going to take this one off. Put this one on. Okay, I have some polishing compound right here. So I'm going to load this polishing brush into the flex shaft, tighten it up. Let's move these out of the way for the time being. Okay, I did turn off the air cleaner. I'm sure you noticed that. Let me turn on this Dremel again at the top. Turn down the speed just a little bit. That's good. Now I'm going to load it with the buffing compound. I'm just going to hold it in my hand. I don't know if you can see on the camera that the fibers were coming off this polishing pad. Let's see if we can polish up this handle. Like I said earlier, I don't know how good this is going to work. I've never polished this type of rubber before. And to be honest with you, it's not doing too good of a job. It's more or less scraping the handle. So this polishing compound and polishing bit for the Dremel is not made for these rubberized handles. But it was a good experiment anyway. Let me turn this off. So that is how we use the steel wire brush to remove rust and dirt from tools. So I'm either going to throw this in my toolbox or give it to my brother to put in his tackle box. I appreciate you watching. I'd like it if you hit the subscribe button below and hit the thumbs up.